Hi there, my name is Sergey Shelkov, and today we'll cover the type of banners that Epom has to offer. Epom Ad Server can work with a multitude of various ad formats, and today I'm going to tell you exactly what they are. So starting from the top to the bottom, we have a regular side banner. This is most commonly used for regular static images or GIFs or anything of the like, and you can choose the creative to be either a local file, means that you can upload it to our servers inside a landing page. You can go with HTML code, which is usually an ad tag provided to you by a third party, and you can of course integrate any third-party DSPs to the ad server. Thus, the ad server would become an SSP. There are some rich media units, but more of them are in the non-standard section, which I'll cover a bit later. So the HTML code requires you to select a size. All IAB standards are here, plus the ability to issue a custom banner size and set a markup in this case. Or again, if you were to use a local file, upload the file directly to our servers. The final step would be defining where you want this banner to run. Please take into account that Epom will choose and show you the available placements of the same size and the same type, meaning you cannot link a banner ad to a video placement. Next, we have rich media units, which are also called non-standard banners. So in this case, you can see that I've chosen template because that's where non-standard units really shine, and I've chosen a catfish template. We do have quite a few of them here, so if you have any specific needs on the rich media units, please keep in mind that Epom has you covered. Now, to create a catfish, you would have to specify all the fields that are here. None are mandatory, of course, but you can play around with them to make sure that the banner really expresses the message that you want to convey. And of course, finally, you would also have to link it to the appropriate placement. Next off is a mobile placement, a banner for a mobile placement. And over here you have the same options, with the only difference being that the sizes are pretty much limited to the mobile side, and the placement itself does not have a fixed size, and it will call the banner from the size that you set over here. Last but not least, there's a video banner, which allows you to work with the following options. You've got local file HTML and HTML code that relate to overlays. And you've got local video, external video, and a third-party VAS or VPay tag URL for pre-rolls, mid-rolls, post-rolls. You can also choose the instant video type, whether it's going to be linear or non-linear. In this case, you would have to specify the VAS itself. And you can also work with additional VAS properties that Epom supports. After that, just link it to the appropriate video placement, and you're good to go. If you want any more information, please feel free to drop me a line or just subscribe to Epom, and I'll see you later. Take care.